replacing SSD and deep cleaning on OMEN 15 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Anthony, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing the Teamgroup 128GB SSD and performing a deep cleaning on a OMEN 15 is a smart and practical decision from the customer, especially considering the demands of gaming and performance-focused tasks. Upgrading the SSD ensures faster storage speeds, more capacity for games and software, and better system responsiveness overall. At the same time, deep cleaning helps prevent thermal buildup by removing dust and debris from internal components, keeping the laptop running cool and stable during intense use. This combination of hardware upgrade and maintenance not only boosts performance, but also extends the lifespan of the device, making a wise investment for both short-term use and long-term reliability. By choosing PTT IT Solutions, you are ensuring that your HP OMEN 15 is handled with care and precision. This dual service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance, minimizing the risk of future hardware failure and preserving the smooth operation of your device. Replacing SSD and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have you replacing SSD and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.